Let's look at two major new features in Medit ClinicCAD version 1.2. First, an AI Inlay Mode has been added to make inlay designs quick and convenient. Run Medit ClinicCAD from Medit link. Select the desired tooth and form info and choose Inlay from type. In the Assign Data step, select AI Design. Without having to set up the insertion path and margin, the AI automatically analyzes the data and quickly generates an inlay restoration. Second, a flipper design feature for temporary restorations has been added, providing customized solutions optimized for various clinical situations. Run Medit ClinicCAD from Medit link. Select the desired tooth and form info and choose Flipper from type. When Flipper is selected, the Flipper mode is automatically activated. After selecting a tooth from the library, use grid settings for a more precise tooth arrangement. In the Insertion Path step, the Set Arrow to your Viewpoint feature allows you to set the path based on your viewing direction. You can also fine-tune the offset and retention values using Blockout settings in the upper right corner. After setting the base outline, you can modify the shape using the Edit function. Base settings allows you to adjust the base thickness freely. Use the sculpting tools to refine the shape of the teeth and gingiva. In Design Export, choose either separated or merged depending on whether the base and pontic should remain connected. Once all settings are complete, you can check the flipper design in Preview. That concludes our brief introduction to two new features in Medit ClinicCAD version 1.2. Explore even more advanced digital dentistry features with Medit Academy.